What is up, guys? Welcome back to another Instagram tutorial. And first of all, we're almost hitting 90K. We're going towards 90,000 subscribers. That's absolutely mind-blowing to me. Would have never thought that we could take it that far. So thank you so much for subscribing, for supporting, for showing the love. That's why I'm so motivated, and I'm going back to back here. Another video for you. You were blowing up my Instagram DMs with that request for the Ariana Grande look, the VMA Day look that she posted on her Instagram in front of that white wall. Again, it's a vintage look. It's really blown out. I like it a lot, and you seem to like it as well. And today I want to show you how we can recreate this look using our smartphone and, once again, the free Lightroom app only. I've also created a preset on this Ariana Grande inspired look to all of you who already have the all presets pack. It's in your pack now. For the rest of you, the all presets pack is linked under this video, and it features over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And every time I'm creating new presets, they're automatically in that all presets pack. So if you buy it once, you will be getting new presets on a weekly basis every time I make a new video. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, also make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future tutorials, and to grow this community and bring it one step closer to the 90K mark. That would be so cool. And if there's anything you need from me, any new requests that you have for new videos that I can do, or any questions in general, or problems with the presets or whatever, feel free to DM me on my Instagram. @Wommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. It's been a lot of DMs. It might take a while until I reply, but I will definitely reply. So feel free to do that. I've said enough now. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing you will need to do, of course, is take your picture in front of a white wall. Make sure that there's good lighting, maybe across from a window or something like that would be perfect. And once you've done that, we want to open it in that free Lightroom app, and I'll show you how to edit it. So we open it in that free Lightroom app, and then we hit the light section down here and go to curve on the upper right. Now I've just chosen this picture of a Spanish model because it comes super close to the setting. She's also in front of a white wall, good lighting, and wearing something dark, so I thought it would be perfect. Then in the curve right here, I just want you to copy this curve exactly as it is right here. Make a screenshot or something like that, just to take your time and really copy the curve as good as you can. So on the bottom left side, the shadows, we want to pull it up all the way to the top of that first quarter down there, and then we want to just create a little S curve towards the upper right side, towards the highlights. And once you've recreated the curve as it is right here, we can move on. So we are done here. And then we want to pull down the exposure, in this case a little bit, to negative 0.53 right here. And the contrast we're going to pull down to negative 32 or 33. And the highlights we want to pull down as well to negative 37 right here. And boost up the shadows to plus 32. And pull down the whites to negative 47. And the blacks we're going to pull down as well to negative 21 right here. And now we have that really blown out look. This is what we want, so we can move on to the colors. Here I just want you to pull down the temperature a little bit to negative 12 towards that blue area. Pull down the tint as well to negative 22. And boost up the vibrance to plus 14 right here. And now pull down the saturation all the way to negative 44 right here. Then we scroll up, hit the color mix. And now for the red tones, we just want to bring back the skin tones a little bit. So we pull the hue over to plus 32 or 33. And now the saturation, we want to boost that up to plus 16 in this case to get the lips a little red again. Then we go over to the orange tones. Now here the skin tones, we're going to boost them back up in the saturation to plus 54. Now they came back, and then we want to pull down the luminance a little bit to negative 16 just to give that tan look a little. Then we go to the yellow tones. Here I want you to boost up the saturation again to plus 42 and boost up the luminance to plus 25 right here. That is good. We go to the green tones, and here I want you to pull down the saturation to negative 69 right here, or 67 is good as well. There's not a lot of green tones in the picture anyway. Just to make sure, we want to pull down a little bit. We're not going to change anything for the other colors, so we're done here. Then we go to the effects tab right here, and I want you to pull down the clarity all the way to negative 77 to get that really real dreamy look that Ariana Grande uses a lot. And then we want to dehaze a little bit. We want to pull that down to negative 5 just to get it even brighter and even more blown out. And now we want to boost up the vignette right here. This will create a white circle around the image a little bit to make it even more dreamy, to around plus 20. And now we want to feather that out to 83 is perfect. Then we want to add a little bit of grain down here. I'm gonna boost that up to 31 in this case, just to get it a little grainy. And now the size of the grain, we want to boost up as well to 38. And the roughness, we want to boost that up a little bit as well to 72 right here. And that looks good to me. Now the last thing we want to do is scroll up and hit split toning. And now we want to get those final color touches right in the highlights and shadows. So for the highlights, we want to pull over to a hue of around 275 right here, and a saturation, really low saturation of around 7 is perfect. So it's 278 and 7. And for the shadows, we want to pull over to a hue of around 165 right here, that green blue area. And again, a really low saturation of around 8 is perfect. So it's 169 and 8. That is perfect, and we are done here. And that is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to that real Ariana Grande inspired look. Now you can also use an app called Over. I've also linked it under this video to just easily place the pictures next to each other as she did in one of her posts. It's super easy. I'm not going to show you how to do it here because you just have to add images and then just move them next to each other until you like the image in the Over app. It's a free app as well. And I really like the result. I really like what we came out with. Once again, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you're having troubles following along or you just don't have the time, feel free to check that out. Link is under this video, and it's in that all presets pack along with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures. And of course, every time I create new presets, I do, 5 to 6 presets a week. So every time I do that, they will automatically be in the all presets pack, so you don't have to buy it again or anything like that. Once you have the all presets pack, you will be getting all those new presets additionally for free. So I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if there's anything else you need from me, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StephenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. So feel free to do that. And of course, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications bell just to not miss out on any of my future tutorials, and of course to grow this community and keep me motivated as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, stay safe, stay creative. Peace.